So hello guys, this is the second video of this playlist. So the previous video we discussed about the what is array, how to initialize the array, and the index number, the contiguous allocation, memory allocation of array. So if you don't saw the video, I will provide you the playlist link in the description. Okay, so today we will see that what is multidimensional array and how to initialize the multidimensional array and how to print the array multidimensional array I mean 2D array or 3D array. Okay, so how to print the matrix format array, and we will solve a simple question, that is summation of two array. Okay, and multiplication of two array. So let's go. So I declare this array. This is the data type, this is the name of the array, and this is the how many element I want. So this is a 1D array. If I write here another box, and in the box if I write 3, and here I write 3, and here I write 2. Okay, here we write 2. Okay, so here we see two boxes, and one is the 3 and one is 2. So this first box is signify the matrix row, and the second box is signify the matrix column. So if you don't understand this, I'll show you. Okay, so in this box you can see here we have the three column, that is first one is this, okay, second one is this, and third one is this, and the rows are, the first one is this, and sorry, here the columns are, first one is this and second one is this. Okay, so if I give a name, that is if I give a name that is 1, and here we can give the 2, the second column, and here we can give a third column. Okay, so this is the third column, this is the first one. Okay, so this is the first row and this is the first column. So how many boxes we have in this matrix? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so same as here we write a 2D array, that is row is 3 and column is 2. So how many element will store in this array? Of course 6 element. Okay, so if I visualizing this, we have, this is a 1 1 position, this is 1 2 position, this is 2 1 position, this is 2 2 position, this is 3 1, and this is 3 2. So same as how to initialize, I mean how to assign the values in this array. So we'll first of all we'll write a curly bracket. In the curly bracket, again we'll write a curly bracket, and here we write 3 curly bracket because of how many rows we have. This is 3, so in the main curly bracket, we'll write the three curly bracket with using comma. It is indicate the row. So in those curly bracket, we'll put some element. For example, 1 comma 2. So here we write two element. This is signify the column. Okay. So if the column is 4, we can write over here the 4 element. Okay. So here we can write 3 comma 4, and here we can write 5 comma 6. Okay. So we can see how many elements here. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay. So 6 elements stored in this array. So here you can see this is the first position, that is store 1, and this is the second position, that is store 2. Okay, 1 and 2. For the second row, that is this curly bracket, we have two element. We have two element, that is 3, and another is 4. Okay, so you can see the two element, I already write it. Okay, and the third row, in the third row we have two columns, and in the two columns, I mean here we can see the two box. In the two box we have 5 and 6. So same as here, we'll write 5, and same as here, that is 6. Okay, so then we have 6 elements to store. I initialize those value the on the declare time. If I want to declare it in user, I mean using loop, if I have, I mean here something, if I have 100 and here we have a 55, so how many elements it is stored? That is 5000, right? So 5000 elements we can't, I mean we can't write manually, so that's why we use loop. So we use for loop int I is equal to 0, because here array index number starts from 0. Then we'll write less than. Here here you can see the first row. Here here how many row we have 3 rows, so we can write over 3. And this is for loop for row. In the row we have how many columns? Two columns. So in this for loop, again we write a, sorry, in this for loop we write another for loop, and here another variable starts from 0. And how many column we have two column. Okay, so here we write less than 2 and ga plus plus. Then here we write scanf %d, and here we write ampersand number, and here we write I. I stands for row, that is outer for loop, and J stands for column, that is inner for loop. Okay, I run it. It takes a 6 number, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, so successfully it takes the 6 number as input. So same as for output. Okay, so if I write over here and if I remove it, that print f, and here we also remove the ampersand. Then if I run it and we will enter the 6 elements. Okay, so you can see it is so 1 2 3 4 5 6, but we'll we'll see that in the matrix format. I mean, this format will show the output in this format. So while do we will write here a space, and in after that for loop, that is inner for loop, here we write a printf statement, and in printf statement we give an slash n. Then we run it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. You can see first first call row have two columns, that is 1, 2. Second row have 3, 4, and third row have 5, 6. Okay, so we will successfully done this. Then we add two elements, I mean two array. Okay, so first of all we want to initialize two array. Okay, here we write number 1, and we remove it, and array array 1, and this is array 2. Okay, so here we remove it, and here we write array array 1. Then so first of all, what we need to do, we want the two we want two arrays we want the two arrays values from user. Okay, so then we add uh then we add those array. Okay, so this is the array, this is the user input for array 1, this is the user input for array 2, and this is the printf statement, sorry, printf, and here we remove it, and then we write here error y, and here y. Here you can see the first element of the array. I mean, if it is 0, 0, this is the first element of the array. So I need to do what we need to do. Remove it. What is the summation of this? 1 plus 1, that is here 2. Here we can see 2 plus 2, that is here, that is assigned here 4. Here you see 3 plus 3, that is assigned here, that is 6. Here you can see 4 plus 4, that is assigned here, that is 8. Here you can see 5 plus 5, that is 10. And after that 6 plus 6, that is 12. Okay, so this will write over here. Here you can see plus and array array 2, that is same position of array 2, that is j. Okay, so now if I run it, so I want the output as a matrix format. So here we give a space, and after the inner for loop we add a printf statement, and in the printf statement we write here /n, and first array will store 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, the second array will store the same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Here you can see 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. You can say 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So successfully our summation is work. We can give an printf statement. Okay, okay. In the next video, we'll do the multiplication of two arrays. Okay, so that's it for today's guys. If you don't subscribe my channel, subscribe it, and we'll give you the playlist link. This is the second video, and we'll discuss the multiplication of array in the third video. Okay, so bye.